You like to eat malunggay? Huh?
Ano?
Yeah, eat malunggay. Good job. Look at you eating malunggay. How about papaya? Eat the papaya. You like malunggay, huh? Good job. That's healthy. Oh, you drop it. Oh, kain siya malunggay. Pinipili niya lang yung malunggay. Oh.
Very good Very good nagkain
He likes malunggay.
Out naman. Ha? Pag sa Amerika bumili kang malunggay.
Eat the rice. That's a big bite. Good job. Check it out. Eating malunggay. How about the papaya? Eat the papaya too. You drop it. Drink the soup. Scoop the soup. There you go. Soup.
Out naman.
Found another malunggay. Ooh, good job. Look right here. Say yummy.
Mami.
Say masarap.
Masarap.
Very good. It's not toko, it's a chicken. Oh. Malaglag ka naman. Are you done now? We're gonna let it go?
No. Touch it more.
Touch it more, okay. Bilisan mo. Okay, say bye-bye manok.
Baba, banak.
Oo. Manok is a chicken.
Banak is chicken.
Oo. Say manok, bye-bye na. Let go na, let go.
No. Touch it more.
Touch it more.
Not yours. My mama.
Mm.
Not different.